You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a special surprise for you. I have a specially curated card kit. Now, these are extremely limited. I have only 8 of them and they're going to be available for purchase on my website. You'll have everything linked in the description box down below. I'm going to show you what these are, and these are a one-of-a-kind, one and only type of card kit. These are Christmas themed card kits. What's inside of them is going to blow your mind. So let's take a peek at one of the kits. Before I open it, I should mention inside each kit is a random selection of items. There are no repeats, so each one is individually one of a kind. You have the same sort of idea of what's inside, but each one is one of a kind. So I'm going to show you what I mean, and then you'll get to sort of understand. So we're going to open up one of these. We're going to open the purple one because I love purple. So first up, you get a look at my brand new logo. My very good friend Matt, hi Matt, helped me design this, and I really love it. I love the color purple, and I love the focal sort of Jenny Card Designs. So now that we've discussed the most important part, my new favorite logo, let's get into the card kit. So it comes inside of a zippered mesh bag. This is a waterproof bag. It is great for storing the contents of your kit or projects that you want to keep everything together. And it is got a zipper and opens up like any zipper does. And so let's take a look and see all the goodies you get. So I'm going to set the bag aside. I don't want to spoil any surprises. So the first thing that you're going to see is this little package. Inside of here, you're going to get a full-size distress ink pad. Let's open it up and take a peek. So you're going to get a brand new blending brush. These are soft, cute little brushes, fantastic for ink blending. You're going to get a brand new distress ink pad, sealed up and waiting for you to get into it. And then you're going to get a cute little key charm. This is a rose gold. And then you're going to get 2 little snowflakes. These keys and snowflakes and colors will vary throughout the different kits. So you'll get a random selection of what we've got. Different color brush, different color ink, different key, different snowflakes. So all the same things, similar but different. Next, you're going to get a little bag of goodies here. Let's open this up. First, you're going to get a Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous stencil. This is the large Tim Holtz stencil, Christmas or winter themed. So it'll be a random selection. These stencils are about 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. So they're the big Tim Holtz stencils. And then you're going to get some postcards. You're going to get this large vintage inspired card that you could use on the front of a journal or make a big Christmas card with, whatever you want to do. And then we've got a vintage postcard. Super cute. And these are random images. Same with these ones, just a random selection. And then we've got a couple of regular Christmas postcards. Really pretty. So these are the same throughout all of the kits. Okay, and then we have a selection of beautiful Christmas or winter themed pattern papers. So all of the kits have the same selection of papers. There are 7 6x6 sheets of paper, and this one is my favorite. Just thought I'd let you know. Okay, all right. Let's set those aside. Next, you get another little bag of goodies. Oh, I guess I should have showed this in the beginning. So you get this little sheet that tells you all of the different elements inside the kit. So a little late for that, but I suppose you'll look at that first. The next thing you're going to get is this little bag of goodies. This is, you get a little binder clip. I know that's not much to some people, but to me this is, you know, stationery and it's gold. So I love those. You get 4 white envelopes, just regular A2 size envelopes, nothing fancy about them. You can make them fancy, but they're plain. And then you get 4 heavy base weight. These are 120-pound craft cardstock card bases. They're pre-cut and scored, so all you have to do is crease the fold, use your bone folder, and then you have a ready-to-go card base. So I haven't folded them. I've kept them nice and straight and crisp for you so that you can do your thing. And then last, the most important, most special aspect of this kit is the Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous Christmas stamp set. Now, I have 8 different sets available. They'll just be a random selection. I'm not going to have anybody fighting over them. Some of them are retired sets. Whatever you get, and you don't get upset. They're amazing. I mean, I don't think anybody could be upset about getting a Tim Holtz stamp set. They're absolutely beautiful. They are red rubber, brand new stamp sets with the cling foam cushion. And of course, as a card maker, I'm sure many of you know, red rubber stamps are the best. And of course, Tim Holtz is amazing. So this is the extra special aspect to this kit. You get this beautiful stamp set. You get all of these things combined with it. The price is unbelievable, $49.99 Canadian. Super, super affordable, jam-packed full of amazing stuff. And you can get a jump start on your Christmas cards this year. So I'll leave everything linked in the description box down below. I do ship to US and Canada. You'll find all that information on my website. And if you're interested, don't wait. Get them immediately because, like I said, I only have 8 collections available for purchase. Once they're gone, they're not going to be restocked. That's it. That's all. If you guys like this sort of curated card kit, my mom is super interested in making them because she loves this sort of stuff. She loves like the production line thing, and she's retired, and so I can put her to work for really cheap labor. So that's great. That gives you guys a super cheap price because my mom is free. So I hope that you enjoyed this little share. Check out the website and have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!